Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine 28 equals to 1 minus 2 sine a square in here. Now about s, that is about number 2 multiplied by s over 2. So capital A, that is about s over 2 in here. And now I need to transform this one into this one. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. And number 2 to the power of 2 I will put outside. So we have number 4 in here. Next, we need to multiply by 1 over 16 on numerator and denominator. So this one I can put into s over 2 to the power of 2. This one we have 1 over 4. And now I can put this one on the denominator. That should be like this. Oh, sorry, we have number 4 in here. So in this one, I can put s over 2 to the power of 4 and number 2 go outside here. And now we have like this. Next, we have the formula. So capital A, that is about 1 over 2. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.